Good evening, my beautiful friends. It's me. Good evening, my beautiful friends. It's me, Jennysrp, and tonight we are unboxing the WeeBox, the Scottish subscription box. So now you can see it's coming in this plastic packaging, and I'm assuming boxes are coming in that to be more hygienic for COVID reasons. But let's just open it up. Our wee world is bonny. Let's keep it that way. Here's our little WeeBox card that came in the packaging. What's in your WeeBox? Sit down, relax, and taste Scotland. Enjoy a good old-fashioned cuppa in this bonny mug and indulge with Maclean's Highland Bakery, rhubarb and custard luxury biscuits. Well, we already know what's coming then. Let's take a look inside the box. WeeBox is a monthly subscription box for £40 a month, and it is a niche novelty box of goods straight from Scotland that you can only get in Scotland. So it's a nice box for people who were born and raised in Scotland or are really interested in Scottish heritage. And let's open it up and see what we've got. Unbox your Scottish happiness. Surprise you, fill you with pride, give you a wee grin. Thank you for being part of the WeeBox clan. I joined last month for the first time, so you can take a look at last month's box. And I subscribed because my mum is Scottish, so I've got lots of Scottish heritage. And even though I was born in Los Angeles, I live in the UK now, and thought it would be interesting to take a little peek at what they're doing up in Scotland and see if we could get a little nostalgia, a little bit of heritage going on with these boxes, and maybe send something nice to my mum too. So we've got our box wrapped in local newspaper. There we go. Looks like tea time. So just as the little card said, we've got our Maclean's Highland Bakery rhubarb and custard luxury biscuits. So that sounds amazing. We'll have to have a cup of tea and give those a try tomorrow during our tea time. And I'll share with you what that looks like. I'm sure it's delicious. Yummy! Made in Scotland. Maclean's Bakery is in Forres, Scotland. Nice. Next, we've got the mug they referenced for our perfect cup of tea. There we go. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Cute. It says Scotland right on there. In a lovely tartan print. I wonder which clan that tartan is from. I wonder if it's from the Maclean clan. Let's see if it says. Don't think it says. See if I'll look it up and let you know which tartan that one's from. That's lovely. Very Christmassy. Ooh, next we've got this little, what is it? It's got the Scottish unicorn and a little Scotty dog on it. Is it a little carrier bag? It is! It's a little shopping bag. That's very cute. With a unicorn and a stag and a bagpiper and a woolly coo. Where is it? A woolly coo just there. And some thistles. Very nice. That's lovely. Let's see what it says about that. This bonny Scottish icons bag is perfect to pack when you're ready to visit our shores again. To fill with treasures you have collected from artisan shops and ancient castles. How lovely. A trip sounds so good right now that we've been inside these four walls for the last 3 months. Dreaming about any kind of trip just is so nice. Next we've got, this is a tea towel. Same tartan. Wow, that's big. Oh, it's an apron! We've got full-on kitchen gear this time. A gift from Scotland. Ooh, it smells kind of smoky. Nice! It's like a perfect. I know it's like Scottish, but it's also like Christmassy because it's got that green and red tartan. It's very holiday-y. So what do you say about the apron? Finally, sit together to enjoy a Scottish feast you have made in your luxury apron to shake up lockdown cooking. Oh no, it's written in Gaelic. Slàinte mhath. I'm sorry. Very cool. Ooh, this is hefty. Oh, we've got Undiscovered Places. Scotland by Michael Kerrigan. Landmarks, landscapes, and hidden treasures. Right, immerse yourself in Scotland with this very special book. Leave the pages that bring Scotland alive in your home and a dream of visiting soon. So every reason to dream about going somewhere else, right? How lovely. Ooh, lots to look at, lots to dream about. That's fabulous. Excellent. Well, lots of holiday traveling planning to do now. Oh, very nice. On theme with a lot of the boxes we're getting this month. Scottish wildflower mix seed packet. That's very sweet. The wildflower mixture is composed of poppy, sweet pea, wild viola, baby blue eyes, calendula, maiden pinks, baby's breath, forget-me-not, snapdragon, bird's eye, candy floss, cornflower, clarkia, and naturisms. Wow, that's a lot. Bring a breath of Scottish countryside to your garden or window box with our carefully curated Scottish seed pack. Let the Scottish Highlands awaken your senses. That's really lovely. I don't have a garden, but maybe I have to figure out how to get a window box because growing my own flowers would be so lovely. That sounds amazing. This has been actually I did it the wrong way. Quite a full box this month. I definitely think it was worth just about the £40 price tag. This isn't necessarily one of those bargain boxes. It's definitely a niche novelty collection, but I think that's really lovely. It's a nice little experience, and I cannot wait to have a cup of tea and some of those biscuits very soon. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I hope you are doing well, and I just want to give a very special thank you to my subscribers, and I have a couple of followers who are absolutely lovely, always sharing beautiful comments with me, and I'm so grateful for you contributing to my channel and inspiring me to keep sharing these videos with you. I think I've got one more WeeBox coming next month, so we have a full 3-month round out to check it out and see if it's worth your time and your money and your exploration. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if there's another box you guys want me to check out and try and share my thoughts with on this channel. I also have a Patreon. If you feel like giving me a tip, you can even just do $1 a month, and that's like putting a little tip in a tip jar for me for my Patreon account to keep me creating good stuff for you. And I'm continually evolving my setup and my situation, and I hope that it works a little better going forward. I really appreciate you guys joining me tonight. Take good care of each other. Bye!